Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like still not that much going on over the past few weeks. Really, we have just been chopping sideways, haven't we? Going sideways in this area of structure, as you can see quite clearly here. Bouncing between some key levels. Got the 023 bounce here up to that previous key level that we've highlighted so many times. You can see here, this was a previous level of support. Flipped into resistance. Resistance here. We've got the breakout, we came back inside it and looking like we are stuck under it again here. Looking like really we are just, consolidating, I would say, for Verasity right now. Some people are saying that, potentially we could be looking at a little bit of a head and shoulders formation, which I did say in the previous video. It's potentially on the cards. I do think if we came down and lost this 023 level like this, back tested it, we'd definitely come down into this lower area here. As you can see on the chart, I have got this area marked out for another position to buy in for Verasity. This area here would be very, very nice indeed, wouldn't it? Obviously, we've got some structure here, but I do think if we lost this level, we'd probably come back down into this area here of the previous little area of structure that we did make. You can see we had a little bit of a range here that we were in. We lost the low, but we came back inside it and then just absolutely flew to the upside, didn't we? But you can see, obviously, a very, very big parabolic move for Verasity. Got stuck under that 1 cent level. Rejection back down around a 50% retracement there to the 023 Fibonacci, down to around 0.5%. Nice little bounce up to that key area of swing high and swing low resistance and support here. And now looking like we are just retracing again, waiting for that next move. Quite low volume for Verasity over the the past week or so. Basically, I think we're waiting to see what Bitcoin does before altcoins do start to move again. Bitcoin right now looking very, very strong indeed, isn't it? If I have a quick look at the Bitcoin chart here, just to see what's going on, you can see here we are still coiling up under that resistance. Looking pretty damn strong, to be honest, aren't we? Obviously, we do have these bearish divergences right now. I think we could still easily see a rejection in this area. You can see I've got a long position ready at the previous swing high of the range that we're in. Stuck here, a bounce here, and a back up to resistance would be a nice little trade in my opinion. But in terms of Verasity, you can see pretty much following Bitcoin right now, waiting to see what happens next. So really not that much going on. I do think we'll probably see a bounce here if we come down to the 023 again, in my opinion. You can see we've got the clean breakout really, a back test here, another back test and a continuation would be fairly on the cards in my opinion. But right now we are just waiting to see what Bitcoin does, and if Bitcoin does start to move in either direction, then Verasity is probably going to be following it. So that is really it for today, guys. Not much going on at all for Verasity. You can see currently just chopping sideways really, creating some structure, waiting to see what happens next. I do think probably a back test and continuation is on the cards. But obviously, Verasity, in my opinion, a really solid project. I do think this is going to do extremely well over the next few years. And I am buying more of this on a regular basis because I do think it's going to do extremely well. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. And I'll see you in the next video.